Welcome to the channel. Have you ever heard about the uses of cactus plants? Watch the full video and leave a comment to let me know. This automated conveyance system guarantees a continuous feedstock supply, establishing the production rhythm. This intensive saturation tunnel blasts away microscopic impurities, ensuring absolute clinical sterility. Automated waste segregation instantly isolates debris, maintaining a purified processing environment. Precision robotic blades execute uniform segmentation, guaranteeing standardized block dimensions. Mechanical dicers reduce the material to consistent cubes, optimizing surface area for extraction. Heavy-duty hydraulic pressing extracts the essential liquid, separating vital fluids from the fiber matrix. Industrial shredding aggressively breaks down cellular bonds, preparing the material for synthesis. Screw-type mixers integrate the fibrous material, reinforcing structural density. High-pressure extrusion forms a dense paste, guaranteeing material uniformity. UV exposure tunnels cure the material, locking in the molecular structure for durability. Impact grinding pulverizes the dry fiber, creating a micron-grade powder. Heated rollers compress the fiber matrix, fusing it into a high-tensile fabric sheet. Precision winding gears spool the finished substrate, maintaining constant tension. Spray coating units apply a protective pigment layer, ensuring uniform coloration. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Laser cutters excise intricate geometries, eliminating physical contact stress on the material. Autonomous transport units mobilize inventory, eliminating manual handling inefficiencies. Multi-tool armatures simultaneously cut and emboss, optimizing process cycle time. Mechanical stress testers verify elasticity limits, guaranteeing industrial-grade durability. Robotic dispensers apply adhesive with geometric precision, ensuring optimal bonding strength. Hydraulic embossing presses stamp the final grain, establishing a premium aesthetic standard. Micro-stitching ensures seam reinforcement, preventing structural failure under load. Overhead conveyance creates a dynamic buffer, optimizing workflow between stations. AI-driven optical scanners detect surface anomalies, eliminating imperfect materials instantly. Robotic joinery arms assemble the timber frame, ensuring geometric squareness. Precision CNC blades carve the foam block, achieving exact ergonomic contours. Laser contouring refines the surface topology, eliminating abrasive edges. Heavy payload robots manipulate timber elements, reducing manual fatigue and error. Robotic placement ensures springs are equidistant, maintaining consistent tension distribution. Hot wire cutters slice through foam with thermal precision, creating complex 3D shapes. Laser-guided stitching ensures perfectly straight seams, upholding visual quality standards. Coordinated robotic arms drape the upholstery, stretching the leather for a flawless fit. Hydraulic presses bond the cushioning layers, ensuring a unified seating structure. Manual craftsmanship reinforces critical stress points, adding a layer of human quality assurance. Robotic screwdrivers attach the support legs, torquing bolts to exact specifications. Automated buffing pads polish the surface, enhancing the leather's natural luster. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Packaging robots encase the product, securing it for global distribution. Heavy lift palletizers stack the units, organizing the shipment for transport. Optical sorters classify the fruit inputs, ensuring only premium-grade cacti enter the line. Waste collection channels divert byproducts, efficiently maintaining line cleanliness. Robotic pickers select optimal fruits based on color and density metrics. Precision peelers minimize product loss, removing skin while preserving the flesh. Industrial dicers process bulk volumes, converting pads into uniform processing units. Centrifugal extraction separates the liquid essence, maximizing yield recovery. Hydraulic pressing squeezes the remaining pulp, retrieving every drop of available liquid. Segregated storage silos manage the outputs, organizing inventory for processing. Precision mixing blends the additives, creating a visually distinct formulation. Observation ports allow visual verification, supplementing automated sensor data. Extrusion pumps move the pulp efficiently, feeding the next stage of synthesis. Turbidity sensors detect particulate levels, guaranteeing crystal clear liquid quality. Steam sterilization blasts the bottles, ensuring a microbe-free packaging environment. The processing loop connects storage to bottling, maintaining a sterile chain of custody. Green glass bottling protects the contents from UV light, extending shelf life. Refrigerated transport robots move the stock, maintaining the cold chain. Autonomous forklifts route the pallets to storage, completing the production cycle. Laser scanning guides the despining tool, removing thorns with surgical precision. Copper kettles receive the diced fruit, initiating the traditional cooking process. Automated hoppers dispense precise sugar ratios, fueling the preservation process. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The integrated jam line synchronizes cooking and cooling, maximizing energy efficiency. Thermal reaction integration caramelizes the sugar, deepening the flavor complexity. Viscosity sensors control the thickness, guaranteeing a spreadable consistency. Final agitation blends all components, ensuring flavor uniformity across the batch.
Quality control confirms the target bricks of 62.5% and a freezing point of -5.2 degrees Celsius.
Automated dosing units infuse specific flavors, customizing the product range. Dissolved oxygen sensors monitor the mix, preventing oxidative degradation. Glass jar conveyance sets the pace for the packaging line. Volumetric fillers dispense the jam accurately, ensuring net weight consistency. Exterior washing removes sticky residue, ensuring a clean retail presentation. Robotic packers load the cases efficiently, reducing manual labor requirements. Robotic palletizers build stable stacks, preparing goods for secure transport. The central warehouse integrates diverse product streams, managing global inventory. The finished leather offers superior ergonomic support, validating the material's quality. The pure extract retains its refreshing properties, delivering a premium sensory experience. Retail availability showcases the product's market reach and consumer appeal. Premium packaging attracts consumer attention, signaling high-quality contents. Strategic product placement maximizes visibility, driving retail engagement.
Featuring background chatter and the occasional clatter of shopping.
Intuitive retail layouts facilitate easy access, enhancing the shopping experience.
Which flavor should we try first? The green one looks refreshing.
I heard the prickly pear, the red one, is the most popular. We should get this one.
Sounds good to me.
Self-checkout systems streamline the transaction, reflecting the brand's technological focus.
The quality seems excellent, and look how comfortable it is.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
Showroom environments allow tactile verification, proving the leather's comfort. Digital pricing assistants provide instant data, modernizing the retail interface.
This texture is incredible. It feels exactly like real leather. It's made from sustainable cactus fibers, very durable and soft.
I really like the color of this green one.
Yeah, it's nice, but are you sure about the cactus leather?
I think it's unique.
Large format retail spaces showcase the full collection, demonstrating scale.
Look at this fizz.
Yeah.
I've never seen cactus juice bubble like this before.
It smells amazing. The jam looks incredible too. Let's try it.
Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.
I can't believe it actually found the cactus jam. Yes, and it's bringing it right to us. Thank you, little robot.
Automated restocking maintains shelf availability, preventing out-of-stock scenarios.
That will be $12.50 for the cactus products. Do you have a rewards card?
No, thank you.
All right, here is your receipt. Have a great day.
Home unpacking reveals the secure packaging, confirming safe transit.